Hey everybody, this is going to be a unboxing of a Vigo faucet, kind of commercial kitchen style faucet. This one I got on build.com. This one is in particular the VG020007K2 model number. So it's kind of it's got a pot filler, sprayer. It's like I said, a commercial kitchen style, and this one's going to be matte black. And I bought it, I believe I paid $263 about for this thing, and it's now, as of about a week and a half later, it's $271 for the same thing. So I guess the price is fluctuating. There's a few models. There's a kind of a brass version, a stainless, and I think an aluminum, brushed aluminum as well. So this one also came with the soap dispenser as well. So what you're seeing right now is you're seeing the boxes. These actually came in a larger box, and there's the soap dispenser on top and the main faucet below that. There's actually a box inside that, so I've already opened up the bigger Vigo box, but I haven't opened up the main box. So let's get to that. So first of all, the dispenser. So nothing, wasn't all taped together or anything like that. Some registration stuff. Here's a card. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so there's the plastic bottle that is going to go below the countertop, and a pretty straightforward thing. So pretty nice looking, I guess. It's heavy. Must weigh a pound or so, something like that. It's a pretty good finish. Buff, it's got some brass. I guess that'll be all hidden. Yeah, put that together like so, I guess. Not much interesting there. But it came with it. It was basically an add-on. It was freebie, I guess. So now for the main edition here. Vigo, I guess, is an American company, from what I was reading. I could be wrong, but that's the model. And they have a pretty good reputation. It was either this or a Klaus that I was looking at in the same format. I wanted to get the pot filler and sprayer as a separate thing. So that's what I was kind of looking for. Put this aside. Down. It's the box. All right, let's see, how does this come up? One thing I notice is that there is a little bit of damage here on the box, and it's actually kind of puffed out, so I have a feeling something on the inside must have got pretty badly jostled. I don't really see any damage on the other outside box, so I'm kind of curious to see what that's about. Foam, very nicely packaged. Okay, what do we got here? Actually, where was that? So that is right here. Yeah, so there's a bit of a nub piece on this faucet. We'll get to that in a second. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so here's the main spray handle. Take a look. Lighting's not that great in here, sorry for that, but I do. How's the finish? I don't see, there's a little bit of something, maybe you can kind of see that. Not perfect, but pretty good. It's a nice matte black, which is exactly what I wanted. Got a good grip, very hefty, feels like it's very well made. Put that back here for now. And I guess a couple of things for the mounting, I assume, underneath the counter probably. That here. Let's grab this. This feels like the spring keeps it in place. It's nicely packaged, fairly anyways. So this looks pretty good. Brass fittings, got a good weight to it, good feel. Here and there I just see little blemishes in the finish. Not perfect, but nothing I would return it for. So that's that. This aside. Here. What else do we got? Okay, now, well, one more thing here on the side. So there's the main filler hose. That's going to connect probably the mixing the hot and cold. And then we've got the hot and cold. So pretty much everything you need is going to be in here besides some plumber's tape or that's probably about it, actually. I think this will fit right onto my taps underneath or my valves. Now, the main thing here, let's see how that damage on the box translates inside, if it in it at all. Okay. Just try to keep everything out, invisible. Okay, so there it is. Make sure in the frame very well. Let's see that. Very, very hefty. Feels solid, very well built. Here and there are little kinds of, it's very visible, but little things that make it a not absolutely perfect finish. Hot, cold. There you have it. So, I'll have to see how this thing works hooked up, but that is the unboxing. Hopefully that helps people out making the decision. I think it was a good purchase for the price. I've seen a lot more expensive faucets out there. This one looks like a pretty good build. I'll install it and post how it all came together.